Hello to everyone. So today I'm going to configure the HSRP here in these two switches. Then I'm going to set the failover for the firewall. So the lab it works. So I'm going to open this computer. Then it's already open. So make it more bigger for you. Then I'm going to say ping google.com. And it works, and okay, I'm going to show you as well from this site as well, but it works because it's already set everything. So connect, let's open. So open the console. As before, ping Google. As you can see, it works. So then, at this point, I'm going to close this one because I don't need. I'm going to open the console on the switch. So let's do it show run. And so I'm going to change the IP under this interface. Config T interface VLAN 10 IP address 192.168.10.3/255.255.0. Then I'm going to add the standby group. Standby, let me see, group, well, 0, and I'm going to give the IP, okay, 192.168.10.1. Enter. So at this point, I'm going under VLAN 20, and again standby group even for here 0. Well, do it something much better. VLAN 10. Let's do it like this. Let's do it like that. Look. No. Standby group 10 IP 192.168 10.1 interface VLAN 20 standby group 20 IP 192.168.20.1. Enter. Right. Okay, and exit from here. Alright. So now I'm going to open switch number 2. Then is here. Configuration terminal, and as I did for switch number 1, I need to do the same for switch number 2. So interface VLAN 20, and I need to change the IP in 192.168.20.3 255.255.255.0, and standby group 20, of course, and IP 192.168.10.1. Scusa, sorry, 20.1. I've been distracted. Enter. Then I'm going to add under the VLAN 10 the standby as well. So interface VLAN 10 standby 10 IP 192.168.10.1. Enter. So let's see. Show standby. All right. So let's see what they say. State speaker. Okay, it's coming up. VLAN 10 speaker standby. Okay, this is the two. Let's take the one. Number one. What they say? VLAN 10 standby. This one is active. So show standby. Let me see if I can see something like brief. Okay, active. I think they still they're still sharing. Let me see. Show standby. Now we do state standby. We have to do some tuning as well. Of course, because we need to tuning a bit, but we're going to do. Okay, now we come back to the computer. Let's come back here. It should be this one, I think. Let me open again, just to be sure. All right. Okay, and let's ping Google again. 8888, and let's see if it works. So now I can ping. That is no problem. So stay here. So I can ping, and now I'm going to shut the interface VLAN 10 on the first switch. And let's see what happened. Config interface VLAN 10. No. Interface VLAN 10. Shut. Let's see. Now, as you can see, is reachable, and come back reachable. You see? Let me open for you. You see? It's bang. Now is the traffic obviously is passing from the other switch. So at this point, I can do another test on the switch 2, and I'm going to shut the interface VLAN 20 instead. Conf T interface VLAN 20. Let's see what's going on here. Now it should move to the other one. Look, I didn't lose any ping. Alright, perfect. So at this point, we are going to re-enable the interface, both of them. So no shut. And here is still pinging, so just block the ping because we don't need any more for now. And I'm going to tuning a bit the HSRP. So we are going under interface VLAN 20, VLAN 10. Then going to say standby group 10 preamp. Why you don't take the preamp? Standby. Because I said the group 10, right? Okay, and standby 10, priority 110. I'm going to change the priority. So interface VLAN 20, standby 20, preamp. Right. Now switch number 2, and under the switch number 2, interface VLAN 10, standby 10, preamp. Interface VLAN, interface VLAN 20, standby 20, preamp, and standby 20, priority 110. So now I'm going to shut down the interface, the VLAN interface, and we'll check what actually happened on the ping. So let's go. Right. Okay. Let's run the ping. Let's open switch 1. Let me actually reduce a bit this one, and I will going to make a bit this one bigger. So like this from YouTube you should see better. Right. Alright then, interface VLAN 10, interface VLAN 10, shut. And let's see switch 2. Is passing active. So let's see, show standby brief. The other is unknown because of course it's off. Now no shut. It's changing, so he should be changed as well here. Let's see now. The speaker is 10.3 and still exchange the the status. Still active. Okay then, so it's active. Let's see this one, what he say as well. Okay, so the first router, the first switch, it's a VLAN 10 active, of course local, so it's actually switch 1, and on the switch 2 I say standby because of course it's a switch 2. Let's configure the failover for these two Cisco Firewall. This video is especially made for a user on a CrazyNet Telegram group, because you have to set the failover on the real firewall. So the configuration for the failover will be on the video description, because I'm going to just copy and paste just for make much a bit more faster. So this is the computer on, this is the firewall active, because I mean for now is the primary. So I can ping Google, so internet works. Now let's take the console. This console is for the primary firewall. In fact, you see, have the host name, right? So the second console instead is the second firewall, this one, and have no host name, as you can see. So to achieve the configuration, I'm going to copy this one, conf t, I'm going to paste here. That's all. Now, on the second firewall instead, there's nothing configured here. So the only things I have to do is configure the second part of the configuration for failover. So I'm going to paste here. That's all. No active mate detected. Detected active mate. You see here the ping stopped and is still going again. So, and the configuration replication to mate. Let's see. You see now I got the host name. Let's quickly check the configuration. Should be fine anyway. Should be fine, but it's not really okay, yeah, to be honest, because 0, 0. I don't know. Okay, that is fine. Missing. Where is the interface? G 01 00 0. I'm missing one interface here. Show run interface. Okay, it's there. All right then. So the configuration is a replicate here. So I'm going to say no failover active. Then this one is going standby, and this one should be active. As you can see, the ping is still going. So show failover. Let's see here what this say. And failover on unit secondary and 02 up. Okay, then now I'm going to say here failover active. So should be back this one active and this one standby. Show failover right on, the ping is still going, right? Show failover state, primary active, secondary standby ready, and seems okay. Let me see here. Show failover state. The configuration will be under the description. Secondary this host, so I mean this firewall. Secondary standby. Primary active. Synchronization done. Standby, etc, etc. So that is cool, it works. So just keep in mind, for the configuration you need to set 2 links like this, otherwise will not works. There is another video on my YouTube channel with 1 link, but here in the real world you have to use 2 links. For now is everything. Thank you for watching, and hope this video can be helpful for you. Thank you.